Here are 10 ways you can earn money from home. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer in areas such as writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, or virtual assistance. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr can connect you with potential clients. 2. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can provide online tutoring services. Platforms like Tutor.com, Chegg, or VIPKid allow you to teach students from around the world. 3. Remote work. Many companies now offer remote work opportunities. You can search for remote job listings on websites like remote.co, FlexJobs, or LinkedIn. 4. E-commerce. Start an online store and sell products or services. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy make it easy to set up your own e-commerce business. 5. Content creation. If you enjoy creating content, you can monetize it through platforms like YouTube, blogging, or podcasting. As your audience grows, you can earn money through advertising, sponsorships, or selling digital products. 6. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys or market research studies. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or User Testing pay you for sharing your opinions or testing products. 7. Online freelancing platforms. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker offer micro-tasks that you can complete for small payments. These tasks can include data entry, transcription, or online research. 8. Virtual assistants. Provide administrative or organizational support to individuals or businesses remotely. Tasks may include managing emails, scheduling appointments, or handling social media accounts. 9. Online trading and investing. If you have knowledge and experience in financial markets, you can consider trading stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other financial instruments. However, be aware that trading involves risks, and it's essential to do thorough research and understand the markets. 10. Online courses and coaching. If you have expertise in a specific area, you can create and sell online courses or offer coaching and consulting services. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coach.me can help you reach a broader audience. Remember, success in earning money from home often requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. Choose a path that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals, and be prepared to put in the effort required to achieve your desired level of income. Thanks for watching.